Hello guys, or ladies, or gentlemen, or whatever. So welcome to my another video, and here in this video we'll discuss a simple way, a simple technique, or any technique, whatever you say, a way, at least a way to increase the speed of torrent downloads. And actually I'll be using this. So I'll recommend that you use this torrent downloader. It's very useful for you and for me and for this video to start. So hope you will enjoy this video, so watch on guys. So here guys, in this video I already told what we are gonna do, but before starting my video I'll tell you that you need to download this Exasme downloader, that's torrent downloader. So first download it and just continue with it. So let's do it. First of all, open this Exasme torrent downloader and wait for some seconds. Here guys, I have opened it. Now I'm here in Exasme torrent downloader. So hope you have also opened it. So first of all, you see here what actually you see. Just go to details and you'll find the name and the pieces they are downloading and the complete status. So I have my average download speed of 119 or 120. Sometimes it fluctuates, but it never crosses about 130, and it's average guys, so it's final speed on me. But it can be a great for you. For example, you have a bandwidth of 1 Mbps or 10 Mbps or 30 Mbps or 50 Mbps. It's according to your bandwidth that are given by the ISP, and my one is actually slow, that's 1 Mbps, and as you know that it's how much MB per second. So here just click on the downloading data and you'll find here some kind of 7 and 5, and here downloading speed and uploading speed. So sometimes this makes really annoying. Here this uploading speed is sometime 100 KB per second, this 100 KB per second, and it really annoys as a person is downloading data and the person is taking other person is taking the data at the same rate when a person is downloading. So here in this video I'll just show you simple technique that you can use in this torrent downloader to increase the torrent downloading speed to some extent. So here just go to the peers and then you'll find here number of whatever computer IP address. Just click on here, just don't click on here, just hover over here. So you'll find here is everything 100%, and here also 100%, here also 100%. When I scroll down I see many of them, but they are just not connected. So here 9 means the number of seeders available. Seeders are those people who have completely downloaded the data and just are giving us at their full speed. Here all of them are seeders because all of them has downloaded the data. All of here are series because all of them have downloaded the data completely, as here you can see it's 100%. So here I have been taking data from them at this speed and just giving them at this speed because they don't need, because they have completely downloaded the data and they are set. But sometimes here somebody is like 70% or 80% are just like this, and those are the people that are called leechers. And leechers are those people that are just taking data from you. They know that you are not seeders. I mean, the system knows that you are not seeder, but also you are some kind of peer network, so they just take data from you. So to avoid this, for example, if here is somebody with 70% of the download, then just right click on him and just ignore him and just connect to only those that have this green completely and this green completely, like this. These are of no needs. For example, this one is not having green here and here green, just ignore them too. so waste of connection. Actually these are the real seeders. They actually give us their data they have downloaded at their fullest speed, so just connect to them and no other. And after you have connected, just nothing, just wait. And then after you have connected, just wait for the download to be completed. And if you find any kind of leeches that are here, then just right click on them and just ignore them. Right here, ignore them, because they are of no use, because they are giving no data, just taking the data at their speed or they want, and not giving even a single amount of data. So this is the only way that you can stop people from getting data and taking the data from the leeches. So that's all guys, hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm lagging subs right now. So that's it guys, bye.